Hello everyone, this is a new video from the Infonova channel, and today we'd like to share something interesting and meaningful with you. Let's begin together. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting topics out there, how you, yes, you, can start making real money using artificial intelligence. If you think AI is just for giant tech companies or requires a degree in computer science, think again. The game has completely changed. Right now, with a laptop or even just your smartphone, you have the power to build valuable skills, create amazing projects, and generate a serious income. The future is here, and it's more accessible than you ever imagined. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's explore 7 practical ways you can start earning with AI starting today. First up, one of the most profitable and straightforward methods: building and selling websites using AI. In the past, creating a website was a complex, time-consuming process that required deep knowledge of coding and design. Not anymore. AI-powered website builders can design a complete, professional-looking website in just a few minutes. I'm talking about everything: the layout, the color scheme, the text, the images, and even the branding. Think about all the small businesses in your area: the local coffee shop, the new restaurant, the freelance photographer, the yoga instructor. Many of them either have an outdated website or no website at all. This is a massive opportunity. You can use an AI tool to generate a stunning, custom website tailored to their brand in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. You can offer them a package that includes the design, setup, and maybe even a little bit of maintenance. Because you can create these sites so quickly, you can offer competitive prices while still making a fantastic profit. You could build one website for a client in a single afternoon and charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It's a powerful way to get your foot in the door and start earning fast, with a skill that is in incredibly high demand. Next, let's talk about learning to code. For decades, programming has been seen as this incredibly difficult skill reserved for a select few. AI has shattered that barrier. It's like having a personal world-class programming tutor available 24/7. Whether you want to learn Python, JavaScript, or any other language, AI can guide you step by step. Imagine you're stuck on a piece of code. Instead of spending hours searching forums, you can just ask an AI. It will not only fix the error, but also explain why it was wrong and how the corrected code works. It can generate code snippets for you, explain complex concepts in simple terms, and even help you structure entire applications from scratch. This accelerates the learning curve immensely. People who thought they could never become a programmer are now building full-fledged apps and software, all thanks to AI assistance. It's no longer about memorizing syntax. It's about understanding logic and problem solving, with AI handling the heavy lifting. This opens up a world of high-paying job opportunities in tech that were previously out of reach for many. And that brings me to our third point: turning your ideas into apps. How many times have you thought, hey, there should be an app for that? Maybe it was a simple game, a productivity tool, or a social network for a niche hobby. In the past, that idea would likely have stayed just an idea unless you had tens of thousands of dollars to hire a development team. Today, AI can be your co-founder and your development team all in one. From the very beginning, you can brainstorm with an AI to refine your idea and create a solid plan. It can help you map out the user journey and design the user interface. Then comes the magic. It can assist you with the actual coding, writing functions, and connecting different parts of the app. It will even help you debug the code when things go wrong. Finally, it can guide you through the process of publishing your app to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once your app is live, you can start earning passive income through advertisements, offering a premium subscription model, or by selling the app for a one-time fee. Your imagination is now the only limit to what you can create and monetize. Now, for one of the hottest, most visually exciting ways to make money with AI right now: creating and selling AI-generated images. This field has exploded in the last year, and for good reason. The quality of images that AI can produce is simply breathtaking, and people are finding all sorts of creative ways to profit from it. You can use AI image generators to create literally anything you can describe. Need professional-looking product photos for an e-commerce store? Done. Need a unique logo for a new brand? Easy. You can create stunning digital art, fantasy characters, futuristic cityscapes, beautiful wallpapers, and eye-catching poster designs. The possibilities are endless. And where do you sell these creations? The market is huge. You can open a shop on Etsy, selling custom art prints or digital downloads. You can become a freelancer on Fiverr, offering services like logo design or custom character portraits. You can also upload your images to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, where you earn a commission every time someone downloads your work. Some creators are making thousands of dollars every single month just from selling AI-generated images. It's a perfect blend of creativity and commerce. Moving from static images to moving pictures, our fifth point is creating AI videos to earn money on social media. Video is king on the internet, but producing it can be expensive and time-consuming. AI video tools are changing that dynamic completely. You can now create engaging videos without ever needing to show your face or own a fancy camera. AI can help you generate short, snappy videos perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It can create animated explainer videos that break down complex topics into easy-to-understand visuals. You can make captivating story videos or educational content for any niche. The AI can assist with everything from writing the script to generating voiceovers, finding background music, and even creating the animated visuals themselves. The key here is consistency. By regularly uploading these AI-generated videos to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, you can build a following. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through the platform's ad revenue program, secure brand sponsorships, and promote affiliate products. It's a scalable way to build a media brand from your bedroom. Let's talk about digital products. This is one of my favorite business models because you create something once and can sell it over and over again with almost zero additional cost. Our sixth point is selling digital products made with AI. The beauty of this is the high profit margin and the passive nature of the income. So, what can you create? Using AI, you can write and design entire ebooks on any topic you're knowledgeable about. You can create beautifully designed templates for resumes, social media posts, or business presentations. You could develop an online course using AI to help structure the curriculum and create the content. You can sell digital guides, social media content packs, or custom design assets. AI acts as your superpowered assistant, helping you research, write, and design these products in record time. Once created, you can sell them on your own website or on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. Every sale is almost pure profit, and your AI-powered product can be earning you money while you sleep. Finally, what if you don't have a specific idea yet? What if you just know you want to start a business, but you're not sure where to begin? Our seventh and final point is to simply ask AI for business ideas. This might be the most powerful use of all. Think of it as having a world-class business consultant on call for free. You can go to an AI and describe your interests, your skills, and how much money you want to invest. In return, it can generate a list of potential business ideas tailored just for you. But it doesn't stop there. Once you pick an idea, you can ask the AI to flesh it out into a full business plan. It can help you define your target audience, develop a marketing strategy, create a brand identity, and even write your website, copy, and sales scripts. It can design your logo and suggest content ideas for your social media. It can literally walk you through every single step of launching a new venture. The barrier to entrepreneurship has never been lower. So, there you have it. 7 concrete ways you can start making money with AI. From building websites and apps to creating art and videos, the opportunities are vast and accessible. But here's the most important part. the real key to making any of this work. You have to start. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Don't wait for the perfect idea or the right time. The time is now. AI has given you the tools, the leverage, and the power. All it's waiting for is your action. Pick one of these methods that excites you. Spend this afternoon learning about the tools and take your first step. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope this gave you the inspiration and the practical steps you need to get started. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the Infonova channel for more content like this. We love exploring the future with you. See you in a new video soon.